What's up, mofos? And again, I'm sorry for that shit. I'm sorry for that shit. I am cooking hamburger helper beef pasta once again. I know, now that sounded really fucking gay. So, so now, this is done. I don't know, but this is done. Sort of. This falls right out of my hand and lands right into cooking. I will destroy this shit. So basically, right now, then I'm gonna put in the freaking with the thingamajigger seasoning. Okay. So now, shit. Okay. Now that was my fault. Come on. Now, as you can see, I fucked up. Shit! Okay, I fucked up. Trust me, I did. Big time. I fucked up big time. Okay. So now, I'm stirring the seasoning. It should be good. Now, as you guys can see, this shit looks the bomb. Oh, shit! My bad. I should have done that. I maybe should have waited until that thing started cooking. So, anyways, now that was the first time I fucked up with hamburger helper. Big time. I fucked up big time. Okay, so, yep. I'm just gonna let this fucking shit. Okay. So now that you see the cooking fucked up shit. Okay. So as you guys, I'm making a shout out right now before I end this video that I'm starting a new channel. But I'm still gonna make videos for this one, but I'm making a new channel. Possibly some new subscribers. And also a lot of new families. And so yeah, I'm making a shout out that my new channel is gonna be me and featuring my brother, my older brother Zias, which you guys met him already. He's one of the guys. So basically, yeah. So he's gonna be featuring Zias, and he's the co-star of the show. Then there are some other featuring. There's some other people who are going to be making appearances in the channel. So yeah, no, this is fucking good. Hold on. I'm sorry, but I gotta show you guys this. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Anyways, I gotta find a lid for this. Goddamn dishes. Ain't no goddamn respect. No, that didn't make sense whatsoever. No, that did not make no sense. What's a floppy never? Hold on, we gotta look this. Oh my god, this is good. Nah. Fuck that shit. There we go. Sorry. I ain't making a fucking making a shout out, motherfuckers. As y'all can see, I'm about to whoop this guy's ass.
Whatever. That's it. Get out of here before you get hurt and get fuckers.
What you say, fool? What you say, fool?
I have to protect my identity.
As you guys can see, there's been as you can see, there's been some technical difficulties. Ouch! So that didn't go as planned. We're gonna make it again. Hopefully. I'm making a shout out for our new channel.
Our new channel.
For our channel.
Our channel.
Our new channel.
What channel?
Our cooking failures.
I didn't agree to this.
Do you have a channel called Cooking Failures and I'm not following it?
No.
I didn't agree
But
to this.
bitch, we talk about this. When we were cooking fried chicken and bow tie pasta.
I didn't.
Yeah, we did.
You'll be famous. Do it.
Yeah, you see that your girlfriend's supporting you. Oh yeah, and all guys, now that's Daisy right there.
Get the hell out of my bed.
No, fuck you. That's shit. I didn't think.
Get out of my bed.
I just want to shut up.
Get out of my bed.
Ow! You fucking bitch. I totally won that fight, by the way. I totally won that fight. But talk about head on. This just proves that you're a bitch. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Wait, hold on. Before I go, we gotta check up on this shit. Zayas! Zayas! So guys, I gotta go. But please subscribe and please now every video I'm gonna make a shout out, so stay tuned for our new channel. We won't make a new channel until March 3rd or February 24th during the rodeo break. But I'll see you guys on the next Mofo show.